Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are
going to go to, because I honestly don't know where we're going then.
We're still at the Caribbean Beach Resort, and this is the second day for us over here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna actually grab some breakfast. I don't know where, from here or somewhere out of property. We gotta go to the pool, go around the hotel to show you some stuff around the hotels and stuff like that. And anyways, just give you a tour of the hotel and that's it. And then after that, we got another surprise of where we're going. All right, so are you guys ready?
Yes.
Cool, cause I am.
So let's go.
But wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Hit it. All the things that Disney will not tell you. You know, usually I know a lot of people, we have done it too. We eat in property because it's more convenient and all that. But you know, if you are staying in property, sometimes you just gotta drive 8 to 10 minutes down the road and you find Dunkin' Donuts, you find Starbucks, you find all kind of things that is, you know, as good and something cheaper than eating in property. You know, I love Disney and all that, but at the end of the day, we're a family of 4, and we gotta also look at how much money we're spending. And also for me, because I'm local, I know which locations have microwave. I already told you that we actually pre-planned some of our meals and all that, so I was able to find somewhere, warm it up. That's my breakfast over here, because as I told you in the video before, I'm trying to stay into a healthier nutrition, so I gotta continue to make meals and eating as healthy as I can at the same time that we're saving money. Hey guys, so we're done finally with breakfast, but now we're back at the hotel just to enjoy the hotel around, right? And also the pool, right, Kayla?
Yeah.
Because it does have a pretty cool pool.
Yeah.
Now one thing that I want to tell you guys, I've never seen this before. I haven't stayed in. How long ago was the last time we stayed in a resort? Like 2 years ago?
Yeah.
So for the first time, they're asking us to scan our magic bands in order to come inside. We never had that before. I don't know if it's because of the pandemic. I don't know if it's a new procedure or they've been doing it for a while right after we stopped coming. So I don't know. Comment down below if it's this something that they've done before. Oh my, it doesn't get better than this, guys. Look at that view. You know, the beach area, skyliners. I love this view right over here. So Kyla and I were just talking about the different views here at the Caribbean Beach Resort. Which one is your favorite, Kyla? One of your favorite? Anything that deals with the Riviera, of course, Kyla and I love, because if you've been following us since we've been here since that resort opened, we haven't stayed in, but that is in our bucket list to stay. We would love to have the opportunity to stay at the Riviera. So even if you're a DVC member and you're hearing this video and you cannot make it this year, contact me. I would love to see if we can work something out. But look, now I want to show you, I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at the line to go to the theme park.
It's crazy because we're not even in the parks and we can tell the parks are like
the parks are at capacity for what we heard. That line is to go to the hub that connects you to Hollywood Studio. If you were to go to Epcot, you see where is the awning over there? You will actually go under the awning and take the Skyliner to Epcot. But that one over there is actually for Hollywood Studios. But you know, it's still very convenient, and again, this resort is just so amazing. Now I don't want to take away from Caribbean because Caribbean Resort also has a lot of great views. One of the things that the kids and I love the most, or the four of us, I'm sorry, the four of us love the most, is the Caribbean beach pool. In our opinion, it's one of the best pools in property, right, Kyla?
It is so pretty, and their decoration's really cool. And there's a slide. Nothing can go wrong with the slide.
And the splash zone is actually a ship that is, you know, spraying water all over, which is awesome.
I like how Disney splash zones are getting way much better, like every year, like every resort.
Every resort that you go.
Because I remember when we used to go, we're like, oh no, that looks too boring. But now I want to go to the splash
And the
zone.
kids, we brought the kids here when they were a lot younger, so they remember this pool very well. But again, I don't want to take away from the Caribbean Beach Resort because look at that. They also have their, you know, their amazing view. It's not only the Riviera, but just so you know, I'm actually on a bridge where you could actually see the pool. You could actually enjoy this amazing view. And if you turn this side, you see the Riviera. You could walk over here and catch the skyline over there, or Caribbean has their own hub where you could actually get the Skyliner as well. So that's a big advantage. You know, we've been talking about Riviera all this time, but staying in the Caribbean resort, you could get the best of both worlds because you could catch, you could literally catch the Skyliner to go to Hollywood Studios, and you can catch it to go to Epcot. So right there, you don't even have to worry about Disney, you know, buses or driving your own car. So again, it is a huge.
We keep talking about Riviera, but the hotel that we're staying at is it's like so good.
You have left the pool area. There's this bar over here. It's called Caribbean Cay, and look how beautiful this looks. It's actually a playground right now. Obviously, it's closed. You know, for obvious reasons, but there's a section over here for the playground, and I'm going to show you the playground over here as well. That's the playground back there here at the Caribbean, right on top of the Skyliner. God, I love the Skyliner so much. Oh my, yeah, it is hot today, guys. Oh, that's cool. You see, a lot of times we focus on those big awesome resorts like the Polynesian, the Grand Floridian, even the Riviera, where they have those kind of swing sets and people love. But look at this. You could literally sit over here, hopefully on not so hot day like today, and enjoy this view. Just chill. You know, a lot of times when you come on vacation, I get it because I do the same thing all the time too. Everything's like rush. Let's keep rushing. Let's move here fast. We gotta make it to this line. We're literally running, but
it's good to take time.
Yeah.
Your vacation, because that's what vacations are.
Exactly, and enjoy these views and enjoy everything.
Which we had to learn. Let me tell you that for sure. We always were like.
Right.
But this vacation's for us to relax.
To relax. No park.
No park.
We decided not to go to any park, even though we had the opportunity. We just want to just relax.
And if you and we haven't been in a Disney vacation in 2 years, so it was just crazy.
We had to like slow down, relax, and enjoy these amazing views, good vibes. Like Kyla's shirt says, what is it? Vacation Hakuna Matata? Vacation, oh, there you go. Vacation vibe, Hakuna Matata. Now take a look at this section over here. This is where Sebastian Bistro is. I don't know that they're currently open inside the restaurant yet, but you can come over here, sit down and chill, enjoy this view. You could use your My Disney Experience app to mobile order here on the bar, but this is basically the Caribbean Beach Resort restaurant, but currently it's closed. Talking about good spots right over here for pictures.
Yeah,
I mean, coming over here with
know,
your
if
family,
you-
standing right over here, right over here.
If you're like us and we have to do Instagram pictures and you're looking for those good Instagram pictures.
Yeah. If you follow us, if you haven't, make sure you follow us
And
in Instagram, any social media. We have Instagram, Facebook, but mostly we post a lot on Instagram. So think about it. I mean, to
it's a
kill
great
for.
picture. You can show off to your friends. Be like,
I know.
"Yeah,
Come
I
with
took
your
this
family
picture."
over here and take a picture right over here, right over here.
I bet it's better at night.
Yeah, no, it
It's
has to be a
probably,
killer because the Riviera is beautiful at night. I could imagine if they light up that tower over there, it has to look gorgeous. Right now, the pool is at capacity, so all these people are waiting until they get their name called.
And that's how you know the parks are full, because they can't get a reservation, so they go.
You cannot get to the pool. That's, you know, there are capacity everywhere. I have never seen this before, but you know what? Good job, Disney, for keeping track of what's going on. I mean, you don't have to come in and do your check-in anymore, but if you were, you come through these doors and then walk this way. I'm gonna show you the lobby because it looks amazing. So see all these people waiting. They're probably, because they did mobile order, they're waiting for the room to be ready. But look how amazing the lobby looks like. I love this lobby. This is their QSR area, so for now you got a mobile order before you go in there. Pin trading station. This is how they're doing. You let them know which one you want. You drop it on that bucket to get sanitized, and then you exchange them. That's how you do it.
That's a pretty good idea, because a lot of people touch those things.
I know.
Before even this whole thing.
Right. Now at the store here at Caribbean Beach Resort, they do have a lot of the main Disney Halloween decoration and merchandise. You can find them over here. So we have shown you that on this from Disney Springs already, but you can find them over here. And when we went to Disney Springs last night, this was the first time that they had this mask yesterday.
So if you guys can't go to the parks, you could just go to your store in your hotel.
In the resort, and you should have the most popular item. Look, and they even have the extra large on this. They didn't even have that on the Springs. They had a large size on this. They didn't have that on the Springs. On World of Disney yesterday. So now this is a very cute.
Is that new?
Yeah, that is new. We have not seen that before. That's a
For
very
$30.
very cute shirt. So anyways, you can actually find all this merch over there. That's actually a new shirt too, Kyla. Boo. That shirt we have not seen. That shirt we have not seen before. Look. Boo. Very cute.
$40.
Yes. So again, very nice to be able to find a Halloween decoration here at our store in our resort. So that's pretty cool though. You know, not necessarily you have to go to the Springs to be able to see it. Kyla just pointed out to me, we have not seen this shirt either. The 2020 Walt Disney World Halloween
And
shirt.
it's super cute.
It's very cute. Continuing our tour here of the actual store, we found this one. This shirt, Shoes Magic. I love that.
It's so cute.
Look at all these mini shirts.
I keep saying it's so cute, but it's literally so cute.
I know. So you could actually buy everything that they have available. Look, some of the mini ears, they have it over here as well.
This is weird because you've never seen an actual
In the
hotels.
In the hotel, you
like,
don't find these. Yeah, you're right. We have mentioned this before. We are a huge fan of this collection of all the Mickeys all over.
with different colors.
Yeah, look, they had the
like the
jacket, they had the long pants or the sweatpants,
Shorts.
and the short pants. You know, Kyla actually like she loves this tank top over here. And also check this out from the Caribbean Resort collection over here. Look at Mickey. Mickey's chilling over there.
He's chilling. He's on his vacation.
He's like, I'm in no rush.
No rush.
Look. I like
That one's
that
cute.
one. I actually like this sweater too. This sweater is pretty.
It's too hot for a sweater.
I know for us it's hot, but for people up north. But this is the Caribbean beach merchandise. Mickey's literally doing what we're doing right now, chilling.
No rush. No rush.
No rush.
No rush.
In this coffee mugs right here. And just like in downtown Disney, they have their own face mask stands over here where you can find all kind of sizes. Look, from small, medium, large right there. You got basically everything. And if you're looking for some hats, they also have them over here. No worries, they also have them over here. The summer collection, they still have some stuff available. Kyla actually had those pants, don't you?
Yes, I do, and I actually brought them. I should have worn them today.
You should have worn them today, right? Because you said they were very comfortable.
Those are super comfortable, and it's good for like going out and you just want to be comfortable.
Yeah.
Like since quarantine stuff.
You just want to chill.
And you really don't want to wear anything.
And the best part, hey, it's at 30% off because it's the summer collection.
And I told Dad this is my favorite collection.
I mean, in Florida, we're almost in summer all year long. But
Yes.
hey, that's besides the point. They still have some of the 2020 merch. Buy one get one.
Oh heck no! I don't want to buy one.
For some people, they could give them the 2020 merchandise. They still would want to say no. Something about this year. And if you're looking for drinks and snacks and all that,
milk.
And milk, everything,
milk.
everything. Beer, this resort has it all. The store now. And nothing, we're just hanging out. Morning, how are you? I'm well, thank you for having us. Yes, ma'am. Shout out to all the cast members that continue to deliver the magic despite everything that's going on, because
They still have
they're
the magic.
amazing. They are amazing. Now here's the kicker. Kalel and Karen happen to be in there. How do we go back in there? We may have to talk to a cast member and say, hey, we just left. But anyways, let's see if we can get in there. Now guys, I already told you that this is one of our favorite pools, but I'm gonna show you why. There's so much to do in here for the kids and all that. I like the fact that, it's good for all ages. A lot of places they actually showcase only for the adults or the kids, but look, you walk in there, slide is back there, and it's a chilling environment. We love this. Well guys, this is it. Our staycation day number 2 is over here at the Caribbean Beach Resort, and it's sad, but not so sad because we're moving to the next resort.
We are?
Yeah.
Let's go.
You guys have any idea where we're going?
No.
No, I'm not gonna tell you because I'm that mean.
The
But
Riviera.
anyways, we hope you enjoy our staycation here and
At
this
the Caribbean.
adventure, because it was fun making it for you guys.
It was really fun.
We hope that we were able to show you some stuff around, gave you an idea of what to expect if you happen to come soon to property. If you didn't know which hotels to choose, at least we gave you some
Good options.
some options, right?
Yeah.
So sadly, this adventure is over. With that said,
Don't forget to subscribe.
And smash that like button and turn on that bell for notifications.
Bing, bing, bing. And feel free to comment down below. Always remember to
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
and stay awesome. See you guys in the next adventure.
Bye, guys.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom.